dear students, today I am going to take the next topic of the chapter Consumer Protection. Responsibilities of a consumer, remedies available to a consumer who can file a complaint under Consumer Protection Act 1986 and redressal agencies under Consumer Protection Act 1986. Consumer responsibilities. What are the responsibilities of a consumer while purchasing a product? First of all, consumer must ask for a cash memo because this would serve as a proof of the purchases made by a consumer. Be aware. Be aware about the various goods and services available in the market. Buy only standardized goods. Standardized goods gives you quality assurance. If the goods is standardized like ISI mark, FPO mark, hallmark, they will give you the assurance about the quality of your product. Follow manufacturer's instructions. Consumer must follow the manufacturer instructions so that he can learn about the risk associated with the product and services. Read the labels carefully. Consumer must read all the labels carefully about the prices, weight, manufacturing and expiry dates. Assert yourself. Assert yourself means to ensure that you get a fair deal. File a complaint in an appropriate consumer forum. Appropriate consumer forum means district forum, state forum or national forum as per the amount of the loss. Be honest in your dealings. Consumer or the manufacturer must be honest while dealing. He should not be involved in black marketing or hoarding. Form consumer societies, which would play an active part in educating consumers and safeguarding their interest. Respect the environment to avoid waste, littering and contributing to pollution. Remedies available to the consumers. Remedies are to replace the product, to refund the price, to pay adequate amount of compensation, to discontinue any unfair or trade practices, to remove the hazardous goods from sale or not to offer hazardous goods and services for sale, cease manufacturing of hazardous goods, issue corrective advertisement to neutralize the effect of misleading ads. Who can file a complaint under Consumer Protection Act 1986? Any consumer, any registered consumer association like non-government organization, central or state government, one or more consumers on behalf of numerous consumers having same interest, a legal hire of a deceased consumer. Next is case study analysis. Now, with the help of case study, we analyze the remedies and the responsibilities of consumer. Reena purchased 1 liter of pure desi ghee from a shopkeeper. After using it, she had doubt that it was adulterated. She sent it for laboratory test which confirmed that ghee was adulterated. State any 6 reliefs available to Reena if she complains and the consumer court is satisfied about the genuineness of the complaint. If she complains, then the reliefs may be to refund the price, to pay adequate compensation, to replace the product, to remove or to not to offer hazardous goods for sale, to issue corrective advertisements to neutralize the effect of misleading advertisement. Adish had some problem walking on the road. He purchased a pair of shoes with high heels. After some time of using these shoes, his pain increased and he didn't know that there were medically recommended shoes available in the market. After a few days of giving himself rest, he approached a shop where the medically recommended shoes were sold. He was amazed to learn that company making the shoes was holding workshops at different places. Which consumer responsibilities was not fulfilled by Adish? As Adish is not aware about the products and services available in the market, so this is the consumer responsibility which is not followed by Adish. Now, the redressal agencies under Consumer Protection Act. As we have earlier discussed, we have three redressal agencies: District Forum, State Forum and National Forum. In District Forum, one must file a complaint if any claim doesn't exceed 20 lakh. In State Commission, the claim is greater than 20 lakh but less than 1 crore, and State Commission includes appeals against order of District Forum. National Commission complaints where the value of goods and services and the compensation, if any, claimed is greater than 1 crore. First, District Forum. Now, its composition is, it consists of president and 2 members, one of whom should be a woman, duly appointed by state government. As we have earlier discussed, it can receive consumer complaints of not more than 20 lakh value. If the party is not satisfied with the order of District Forum, then he can appeal before State Forum within 30 days of passing an order. State Forum. Each commission consists of president and at least 2 members appointed by state government. Complaints is of at least rupees 20 lakh but not more than 1 crore. On receiving the complaint, the state commission verifies about the complaint and gives his decision. In case the aggrieved party is not satisfied, then they can appeal before National Commission within 30 days of passing an order. National Commission. It consists of president and at least 4 members appointed by central government. It includes the complaints of value more than 1 crore. The National Commission has the power to issue orders to replace mental removal or to pay the compensation for loss. Now, this is all about District Forum, State Forum and National Commission. Now, case study analysis. Raghu purchased a truck worth rupees 35 lakh. The truck had some inbuilt problem and after some days stopped starting. Since it has a guarantee period, it was shown to the company. The people in the company refused to attend his complaint. It was heartbreaking for him. So he decided to file a complaint in the State Commission. State Commission, on hearing the pleas from both the parties, gave decision in favor of truck company. It was shockingly bad news for Raghu. At what level of authority should file complaint now? Because he was not satisfied with the State Commission, then he must file the complaint in National Commission. In how many days? In the next 30 days of the Amazing Dunya is a tourist agency. It also has a group of hotels. The company offers new types of schemes to the potential customers. Amit was offered a scheme of staying in a hotel for 6 days and 5 nights. However, when he reached the destination, he was told that every room of the hotel was booked. He told them that he was told earlier that his room was booked. He even showed them the confirmation and he received on his mail. Can Amit file a complaint? Yes. Will he get a relief? Yes, because he has wasted his time and money. Name the relief he will get. He will get the compensation for the loss of time and money. Which consumer right has been violated? Right to be informed. So these are your answers. So at last, it is be aware, be safe while purchasing any product. If you are completely informed about the district forum, state forum and national forum, then you can complain in the appropriate redressal agency according to the claim of the compensation. So this is all about consumer protection. Thank you.